Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Emergent BioSolutions' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q3 was $290.33 million. The company actually reported revenue of $293.8 million, surpassing expectations by 1.2%. This quarterly revenue marked a 8.61% increase compared to the $270.5 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, the original estimate for Q3 was 10 cents. The company actually reported an EPS of $1.37, crushing expectations by 1,270%. This result also reflects a significant $1.91 increase compared to the loss of 54 cents reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. Emergent has shown remarkable improvement in several key areas. The company generated operating cash flow that was up $377 million compared to the same period last year, demonstrating a significant enhancement in their operational efficiency. This is a massive turnaround from their previous cash position. One of the most impressive achievements has been their debt reduction. Emergent managed to reduce their net debt by $206 million in 2024 alone. This wasn't just about paying down debt. They also successfully refinanced their remaining debt with better terms, including a new $250 million term loan extending to 2029. The company's gross margins have also shown substantial improvement, reaching 59% in the third quarter. This is particularly noteworthy as it represents a return to pre-pandemic levels and reflects the success of their cost reduction initiatives and improved operational efficiency. Looking at their flagship product Narcan, volumes are up 7% year-to-date, with particularly strong growth in the public interest channel at 14%. This growth comes despite increased competition in the market, showing the strength of their brand and distribution network. The company has also secured over $500 million in new government contracts for their medical countermeasure products, demonstrating strong demand for their core products and services. Additionally, their liquidity position has strengthened considerably, reaching $250 million, an increase of approximately $170 million compared to the previous quarter. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. Perhaps most significantly, Emergent has completed its stabilization phase ahead of schedule and is now moving into what they call their turnaround phase. This marks a crucial transition from financial stabilization to growth-oriented strategies. The Narcan pricing environment appears to be stabilizing after earlier competitive pressures. While the company has had to adjust prices to remain competitive, they're maintaining a premium position based on their brand strength and superior distribution capabilities. They're also seeing promising growth in workplace safety partnerships, with major companies like Amazon implementing Narcan in their safety protocols. The company is experiencing growing success in international markets, particularly with their medical countermeasure products. They received approval for expanded use of ACM 2000 for pox treatment and are actively engaging with international health organizations to address global health threats. In a significant move to drive future growth, Emergent has appointed new R&D leadership, with Dr. Simon Lowry joining as Chief Medical Officer and Head of R&D. This appointment signals their commitment to expanding their product pipeline and scientific capabilities. The company is also expanding its focus on workplace safety partnerships, developing new programs to integrate Narcan into standard safety protocols alongside traditional emergency equipment like defibrillators. They're proposing innovative solutions like Narcan kits priced at around $45 compared to the $1,800 cost of typical defibrillator units. Finally, it's worth noting that Emergent's business continues to enjoy strong bipartisan support, particularly for their work in combating the opioid crisis and providing biodefense capabilities. This political backing provides a stable foundation for their future growth initiatives. The company appears to have successfully stabilized its financial position and is now positioning itself for future growth through strategic initiatives and expanded market presence. That wraps up our recap of Emergent BioSolutions' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.